touche. But they announced Earl Thomas and Mark Ingram within minutes of each other, and they're both great fits.
Well, they've got a great secondary. On paper, they've kept Jimmy Smith. They still have Tony Jefferson, Marlon Humphrey, Brendan Carr, Earl Thomas. That might be the best secondary in the league. I think they were top flat-footed by Mosley. I think their number 2 receiver right now is their number 1 receiver is Willie Snead. That's probably. And their number 2 receiver is Chris Moore? I don't know. So I don't understand. I get it, but I'm a little concerned about them advancing the football through the air. So that's it's early in the offseason. It's early. We said that last show.
2019, I feel like that is something you want to be able to do forward pass.
But I love these sides.
For all the kudos for Baltimore, I cannot think of a team that's had rougher luck drafting wide receivers, and that's
Luck is fun. All right, if you had to pick one team in the AFC North,
The Bengals.
least likely, other than Cincinnati, to hit that 10 to 11 win range. That's good.
I think
It's going to be a good division. I think anybody that thinks the Browns are going to go 14-2.
no.
I think it's going to be a dogfight because I think the division is still very strong.
We're talking about a team that has not learned how to win inside their own
Totally
division, and I think they're ripe for growing pains. I don't care about the star power that left Pittsburgh. They will find a way to get to 10 or 11 wins.
They still have star power.
Right. But the Ravens they are a franchise that's had a lot of stability, and now that they have this much change on defense and this much change on offense and a new quarterback and a new offensive coordinator. I mean, this hasn't exactly been the Patriots over the last 6 years. I think they've won. When's the last time they won a playoff game? Super Bowl, right? So I mean, I would put them.
Well, we had John Harbaugh on the hot seat for various times over the past couple of years, but their offense needs to work the way it did down the
Their
stretch.
own building seemed to be putting them on the hot seat. Well, we all kind of like John Harbaugh a lot. We're Harbaugh fans, right?
I feel like Greg mentioned
Greg-
the hot seat scenario.
I was just mentioning that it was on the table
It's out
because
there.
they haven't,
Yeah.
they were a little up in the air.
All right, let's keep moving, boys. We got a lot to get to.
They did beat the Steelers, I think.
D Ford is on the move. The Chiefs and 49ers have agreed to a trade involving Ford in exchange for a 2020 second-round draft pick. That came from Rap Sheet. Ford gets a new contract with the Niners, expected to be 5 years at $87.5 million. Star money for a top pass rusher. Do you like this move, Mark, for the Niners?
I'll just reiterate what we've talked about with D Ford. That you have this peak contract year